Welcome back everyone. So today in this video I will be sharing one of the best utility for Windows 11 that I found super useful. Now why I'm saying super useful, because with this tool you can do many kind of customization on Windows 11 that are being hidden, and even you can optimize your Windows 11 to the next level. So make sure that you do not skip any part, and without any delay let's quickly get started. Now you will be getting the link in the description of this GitHub page, and the utility name is Windows 11 Fixer. So once you come up here on the right hand side in the releases section, you will have to click on the latest. Then here under the asset you have to click on Windows 11 Fixer version 2 1.0 lite.zip. Click on it and the file will be quickly downloaded, and it will be downloaded in a zip file. So click on the downloaded folder instead of opening the file. Now here you have to extract the file, so right click on it, click on extract all, click on extract. Once extracted you will be getting this kind of Windows 11 Fixer folder. Again make a double click on it. Then you will find the data folder, make a double click on it, and here you will find an application file by the name Windows 11 Fixer. Make a double click on it again, click on yes, and this kind of dashboard of Windows 11 Fixer will be up. Now here, depending on your visibility, you can change the theme to the light or the dark mode from the right hand top. I will go with the light mode as of now. Now here on the left hand side you can find few of the categories like fix Windows, Windows setting, uninstall Microsoft bloat, and install software. So I will take you through with each and everything, and first we will start with fix Windows. And here in the taskbar section you can see that it says location. So if you want to change the location to the left or center, you can directly do it from here. So if you want to go to the left side, select the left side and click on fix Windows, and now you can see the Windows taskbar has been moved to the left hand side. Similarly, if you want to reduce the size or you want to make it larger, then you can do it from here. Widget button, if you want to disable or enable, you can do it. Chat button, you can enable or disable. Keyboard switcher, either you can keep it to hidden or visible. Then we have the file and folder option, and this is really very important guys. So hidden folder, keep it to visible or hidden. Node file type extension, I always recommend you that enable this option to visible, because whenever you download any kind of file or someone send you any kind of file, it's very important that you should watch the extension before running it or before opening it. Alright, so keep it to visible. Shortcut icon, now this is another useful feature. So basically what happens when you install any kind of application or any kind of software on your computer, the icon appear on the desktop and there is a shortcut icon on each and every application. Now if you want to make something new, if you want a newer desktop and you want to do something new on your Windows 11, so in the shortcut icon, select to none, click on fix Windows. Now it will ask you to restart the computer, but instead of restarting, you can click on restart later and you can restart the file explorer. So for that, bring up the file explorer, right click on the Windows icon, click on task manager, look for Explorer or Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on restart. Now this time when you restart, now have a look on the desktop icon, you will find that all the shortcut icon has been removed. So it's really amazing that you can customize with this tool only. Use checkbox to select items, so if you want to enable or disable you can do it. Now let's come to the another option, that is right click context menu, and this is my favorite part, and trust me guys, it gives you a very useful option to add on the context menu. The first one is context menu style, and if you are on Windows 11 and you don't like the new context menu, let me show you. On my application, if I right click, so you can see it bring up with the new context menu that doesn't show up all the option. Even if I make a right click on the desktop, it doesn't give all the option and I have to click on show more option all the time. So if I want the old context menu, I will select Windows 10, click on fix Windows, restart later. Again I will bring up the task manager to restart the file explorer. Then I will look for Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on restart. So once I have restarted, this time if I make a right click on the desktop, So you can see I see the old context menu. Even if I right click on the application, it comes with the old context menu of Windows 10. Right? So very easy. Next you have the take ownership. So if you want to add or remove in the context menu, you can add this option. Control panel shortcut. If you want, when you right click on the desktop, there should be an option of control panel. Then you can add it. So what I will do, I will add all of them and then I will show you. Restart Windows Explorer shortcut. Now if you remember, in order to apply the changes, we have to bring up the task manager, we have to look for the Windows Explorer, then we have to right click on it and restart. Now if you want to do this easily, then you can simply create a shortcut and add in the context menu. So again I will add it. Microphone or camera shortcut, I will not add it, but if you want to add, then you can add. Disk cleanup shortcut, task manager shortcut, batch file as new file option, disk cleanup shortcut. Alright, so I will only add the control panel, restart Windows Explorer and the disk cleanup shortcut. Then again I will click on fix Windows. And the next time when I right click on the desktop, so now you can see the disk cleanup, control panel and restart Explorer option has been created, added on my context menu. So really amazing. Now let's come to the file explorer. It says compact view. If you want to enable or disable, you can do it from here. Opening location, this PC or quick access. Now what happens when you bring up your file explorer? So by default it comes and look like this with the quick access. But if you want, whenever you open your file explorer, it should come along with this PC option. Then simply you have to select this PC here, then click on fix Windows. And now the next time, let me close it. If you bring up the file explorer, it will directly come with this PC option. So this is another customization that you can do. Now we have the start menu. The start menu layout, if you want to change, then you can click on the drop down and change to more pin, default or more recommendation. Then in the other option, allow Windows to search online. So if you want to prohibit widget service, allow screensaver. So from here only you can disable or enable it. Okay, so that is what in the fix Windows. Now come to the Windows settings. Now here you can do some kind of optimization like notification. If you want to disable the annoying notification, just select to disable. Other offer suggestion on device setup, again go ahead and disable it. Get Windows tips and suggestion, no, just go and disable it. Storage sense, no, we don't want to disable it. It's a very useful feature, so keep it to no change. Clipboard history, again it's a useful, but if you want to disable, you can disable it. Then we have the personalization setting. So in the color, Windows theme, if you want to make it to light or dark, you can do it. Application theme, for example, if you bring up any kind of application and you want that it should come with a dark or light, then you can choose from here. Transparency effect, I would recommend you to disable it so that you can get the better performance. Then we have the start, show recently open item. I will go ahead and disable it. Gaming mode, I will enable it. Privacy and security settings, select recommended privacy and security setting. Deselect all privacy setting and app permission setting. Then we have the general, let app show personalized ad. I will disable it. Allow website access to language list. Improve search by tracking app launches. Show content in the setting app. I will disable it. Speech, inking and typing personalization. I will disable both of them. Diagnostic and feedback. Now these are the features that even you can do from the Windows 11 setting as well, but it look very simple over here to manage it. Okay, so again you can go ahead and disable all these permissions that you don't want to keep on your computer so that you should have the better performance. So whichever application like task, email, call history, phone call that you are not using, I would recommend you to go ahead and disable it so that you can get the best performance. Okay, now let's come to the another section, that is uninstall Microsoft bloat. This is another useful feature where you can uninstall many kind of Microsoft bloatware. Okay, so once you come up here, it says camera. So if you want the camera, then you can keep it to no change. Alarm and clock. If you don't use alarm and clock on your computer, just go ahead and uninstall that. Cortana, go ahead and uninstall it. Get help, go ahead and uninstall it. Let me select uninstall. Map, I don't need it. Microsoft Edge, another useful feature, many people wonder that how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. So from here only, you can go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Edge. Photos, Xbox, Game Bar, I will uninstall your phone, calculator, feedback hub, movies and TV, mail and calendar, Microsoft News, Solitaire, Microsoft Team, Microsoft To Do. Then we have Power Automate, Snipping Tool, Voice Recorder, Weather, Windows Terminal, Xbox, Skype, OneNote. So these are the bloatware that you can directly uninstall from here only. Okay, so once you have selected, you just need to go ahead and click on Uninstall Software. Once you click on it, it will start working on it. You have to wait for a few seconds only until it's all been done. So once it gets completed, now you will have to go ahead and restart the computer so that you can see the changes. Okay, now next and the last is the installed software. So from here you get different kind of categories where you can install many kind of application and software depending on the category. Like in Windows modification software, there are many kind of modification application that you can enjoy. You can read about them before installing it. Like Start 11 is a program which allows for customization of the start menu, taskbar, context menu and many more. Similarly, there are many other options like Power Toys that you can look over here, and from here only you can select install and then you can click on install software. Computer maintenance software, it gives you many kind of tool like Malwarebytes, CCleaner, Revo uninstaller, CPU Z. These are the useful tools that you can go ahead and enjoy, and keep in mind these all applications are safe to use. Then you have many kind of browser, audio and video, Office that you can install, the gaming application like Steam, EA application, messaging, streaming, coding, editing and other. Alright, so these are the options that you get for absolutely free that will be helping you to do many kind of customization. And the best part that I liked about this application, this utility, was the customization that you can add in the context menu and the optimization of removing many kind of bloatware and many kind of services. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found this tool useful. If yes, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.